welcome. Join me as we embark on a captivating journey into the heart of the untamed wilderness, where we shall immerse ourselves in the enchanting wonders of the natural world. From the majestic peaks of towering mountains, adorned with their breathtaking vistas, to the veiled waterfalls nestled within the depths of ancient forests. By subscribing to our channel, you shall become an adventurer, ready to unravel the mysteries and embrace the endless offerings of our planet. Together, we shall forge unforgettable memories that I am ever grateful for the privilege of witnessing nature's marvels alongside you. So let us pursue life's boundless adventures, for they shall forever propel us forward in this ever-evolving journey. As always, remember, life is an adventure. Keep on keeping on.